What if I told you a bank robber's biggest mistake was not wearing a mask? It was sneezing. Meet John. He planned the perfect heist, but he had one tiny problem: a relentless sneeze. As John entered the bank, he couldn't stop sneezing. It was loud, it was frequent, and it got everyone's attention. The bank staff and customers couldn't help but notice John. His sneezes echoed through the hall. In the chaos, John's plan unraveled. His constant sneezing made him unforgettable. Everyone remembered his face. Police easily tracked John down. His sneezing fit turned his perfect heist into a complete failure. Next time you plan a big move, make sure your health doesn't betray you.